What's going on, guys? This video is long overdue. I picked up my Pit Boss 1600 probably the end of the summer of this past year, and everything has been great except for the control unit. The control unit doesn't have the increments that I thought it should have, and I knew that the new model was coming with 10-degree increments so that I can fine-tune my cooks. It took a while for Pit Boss to send me a new control unit, but they did. Actually, they did probably like 2-3 months ago, and it's just been really cold and I didn't want to go out and change it. But New England's weather is starting to loosen up for us, so today's going to be the day. Let me grab my tools. Let's go out there and see what we can do. So the unfortunate thing is I got my controller, no instructions. So we're gonna walk through this together. So they look identical if you look at them like this. I'm guessing when I pull this off, they're gonna be color coded, they're gonna be easy to follow. And from the few videos I saw online, I did see that they have some sort of zip ties that we need to cut. So I don't know, let's just get right into it and see what happens. All right, at first glance, we have this protective shield here. It's just protecting everything in there. It also looks like it's letting everything vent. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I count 7 Phillips screws. So you can use a Phillips screwdriver like this, or we could work smarter and use a little power drill. Just be careful, don't strip the screws, take it easy. But this is what I'm gonna use. That's a little too much. That's that. Put it somewhere safe. So you guys can see, there's all my wiring, and I also want to point out, unplug it. Let's be safe, guys. There's a fan in there. Oh man. Looks like a clip system here. Push my fingers in here, and I'm going to try to pry it away as I do it there. 1, 2, 3 clips on the bottom. 1, 2. Three clips on the top. So 3 clips on the bottom and 3 clips on the top. I'll give you guys a better look at those clips. Clips here, clips here. I was able to take my finger and just press them down and push out, and I just used a flathead at the front just to pry it over with some gentle pressure. Trying to get you guys a good view here, but you can see right here, there's a zip tie holding this all in. It's going to be a lot easier for us to take everything apart if I can pull it out. So I'm going to take a quick picture of it so I can see how everything looks, and I can zip tie it up when I'm done. But I wanted to give you guys a good view. Let me see if I can get you an under as well. There's your under view. All right, so I'm gonna clip this zip tie and pull them out, and I'll get back to you guys when I get to that. Okay, so there were a total of 2 zip ties in there holding everything at bay. Just be careful when you clip the wires, when you clip the zip ties, I should say, not to clip the wires, because they're really tight in there the way that they have them set up. I use a pair of diagonal pliers, and I think that's going to be the best. It has a nice little crisp point, but I didn't take that picture yet, but I'm going to do it right now. But just wanted you guys to see how it looks when everything's out. All right, so these are a pain to come off. I don't have any instructions. I'm guessing, oh, they just disconnect like that. So instead of me taking them all off and putting them back together,
and moldy here. You guys can't really see me, but instead of me taking them all off, putting them back together, I'm gonna remove this orange and white, and at the same time I'm going to connect the new orange and white. Should take some of the guesswork out of it, although I did take a picture, but it snaps back into place. White, black. Yellow. I was at one. All right. Just a quick double check here. All right. So all my wires are connected. I'm getting ready to stuff this thing back in there, and I'm gonna test it out before I put the cover on. This just tucks in here. Oh, that's pretty satisfying. That's a good sign right there that we got power. Fan is on. "10-degree increments." Hey guys, we are in business. Let's see where it stops. Okay, so right at 300, we start going to 25-degree increments, which I'm 100% fine with, all the way up to high. Hey guys, I'm happy. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off. Let it go through a shutdown procedure, and then I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it again. I'll tie up those wires, and we'll move on from there. Hey guys, that's a wrap for this one. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but the smoke is starting to come up here, and it means I'm going into smoke mode. I'm gonna do 2, no, I'm gonna do 3 burn-offs on this grill, just so that the controller gets accustomed to its new home. But it took less than an hour to do that upgrade. Reach out to Pit Boss if you don't have one yet. Get yourself a firmware upgrade. Going up in 10-degree increments, it's gonna give you so much control going forward. But for Ready, Set, Build It, I'm Drew. This is my Pit Boss 1600 Pro Series. Get out of your comfort zone, try something new. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.